Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Microscope is probably one of the most fascinating tools for unlocking the hidden wonders of the world around us, transforming the mundane into the extraordinary and sparking curiosity in minds of all ages. Imagine peering into a universe invisible to the naked eye, revealing intricate cellular structures, the delicate patterns of insect wings, or the surprising complexity of everyday objects, all from the comfort of your own home or classroom. This device isn't just about magnification, it's a portal to discovery, encouraging exploration, scientific thinking, and a deeper appreciation for the natural world that surrounds us, making it an invaluable educational and recreational asset. Number 5. Educational Insights GeoSafari Talking Microscope with Bindi Irwin. Discover a world of wonder with this interactive talking microscope. It's designed to spark curiosity and encourage hands-on learning about the environment around us. Join Bindi Irwin on an exciting educational adventure. She shares over 100 fascinating facts and tests your knowledge on plants, animals, and more. This toy microscope is a fantastic way to introduce young minds to science. It opens doors to understanding biology, geology, astronomy, and many other fields. It comes with 60 colorful images on 20 slides, 2 engaging modes of play, and dual eyepieces for a complete exploration experience. Slide storage is also included. Looking for a great gift? This educational toy makes an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or as a back-to-school surprise for young learners. Engage your child with this unique science toy. It makes learning fun and accessible for preschoolers and toddlers, fostering a love for discovery. What we like. This microscope is perfect for younger children who love interactive learning. If you are looking for a way to make science fun and engaging for preschoolers, its talking feature and quizzes will keep them entertained. If you want to introduce STEM concepts in a playful way, this is a great choice. What people say. The microscope has a built-in light source for viewing specimens. It comes with a variety of prepared slides and blank slides for further exploration. The magnification levels are suitable for observing small details on insects and plant cells. Number 4. Educational Insights GeoSafari My First Microscope. Introduce your child to the wonders of science with this real microscope. It's designed to spark curiosity and encourage hands-on learning from a young age. This toy can help develop an early interest in science, from biology to astronomy. It's a perfect way to start exploring the world around them. It features 2 large eyepieces, so no need to close one eye, a kid-sized focusing knob, and an illuminating LED light. It's also designed with non-skid feet for stability. This kit offers magnification for a wide field of view and includes 12 prepared slides for immediate exploration. It's ready for discovery right out of the box. Looking for a great gift? This makes an excellent present for birthdays, holidays, or as a back-to-school surprise for curious young minds. What we like. This is an excellent introductory microscope for very young children. If your child is just starting to explore the world of science and you want a simple, robust tool, this is ideal. If you prefer a microscope that is easy for little hands to operate without needing to close one eye, this is the one to consider. What people say. The microscope comes with a sturdy carrying case, making it easy to transport and store. It includes a variety of prepared slides and blank slides, allowing for immediate exploration of different specimens. The adjustable LED light source provides clear illumination for viewing samples, even in low light conditions. Number 3. 48 Prepared Microscope Slide Set. Our microscope slides are made from high-transparency plastic, ensuring they are non-toxic and free from stains or scratches. They also feature smooth edges for safe handling. Each slide is meticulously prepared and clearly labeled, making it simple to classify and store your specimens. This ensures a well-organized and permanent collection. Experience the best microscopic images with our slides, designed for clarity and vibrant dyeing. They are perfect for stimulating curiosity in young learners. This set includes 48 prepared slides featuring plant, insect, and animal tissues. It serves as an engaging scientific tool for students and an excellent teaching aid. Packaged beautifully, this collection makes a wonderful gift for aspiring young biologists. It's an ideal accessory for anyone starting their journey in biological research. What we like. This set is a fantastic accessory for any beginner microscopist. If you already have a microscope and want a wide variety of specimens to explore, this is perfect. If you are looking for a comprehensive collection of slides covering plants, insects, and animals for basic biology education, this offers great value. What people say. The microscope has a built-in light and a rotating turret with multiple magnification levels. It comes with a variety of prepared slides and blank slides for specimen preparation. The focus knob is easy to adjust, allowing for clear images of small details. Number 2. National Geographic Dual LED Kids Microscope Science Kit. Unlock a hidden universe with this incredible microscope kit. It's designed to captivate young minds and provide hours of engaging scientific exploration. This versatile tool offers 2 ways to explore. Use the lower lights for slides or the upper lights to examine everyday objects up close. It's a perfect STEM activity for curious kids. Dive into discovery with more than 50 accessories. You'll find prepared slides, blank slides to create your own, and even a mini geode to investigate. With clear optical glass lenses offering 20x and 50x magnification, this microscope makes learning accessible and fun. It's designed for young scientists to easily operate. From an award-winning brand known for fostering education and creativity, this kit promises a stellar learning experience. Plus, you'll have US support if you need it. What we like. This microscope is designed for curious kids aged 8 to 12 who want to explore in detail. If you are looking for a versatile microscope that can view both slides and 3D objects, its dual LED system is a standout feature. If you want a complete kit with prepared and blank slides for experiments, this Amazon exclusive is a great option. What people say. The microscope has a built-in light source that illuminates the specimen, making it easier to see details. It comes with a variety of prepared slides and blank slides, allowing users to start exploring immediately. The adjustable focus knob ensures clear and sharp images, even at higher magnifications. Number 1. National Geographic Kids Microscope Science Kit. Discover the wonders of the microscopic world with this incredible science kit. It's designed for young explorers to easily investigate everything around them. With large focus knobs and a soft eyepiece, it's simple for kids to use. Multiple magnification levels and dual lights provide clear views every time. This kit comes with prepared slides, rocks, minerals, and blank slides for endless exploration. Hours of entertainment await as they delve into the hidden details of nature. Conduct exciting science experiments with the included tools like a pipette, dish, and tweezers. It's a complete lab for budding scientists to learn and discover. Unlock even more potential with the included lab guide. It features activities, games, and stickers to make learning an adventure. We are committed to providing high-quality, hands-on science toys. Your satisfaction is our priority, ensuring a stellar learning experience. What we like. This National Geographic microscope is for kids who are ready for more advanced exploration. If you want a microscope with higher magnification for detailed study, the 400x zoom is impressive. If you are looking for a complete STEM project with specimens, a lab guide, and accessories for conducting experiments, this kit provides an immersive learning experience. What people say. The microscope comes with a sturdy carrying case, making it easy to transport and store. It includes a variety of prepared slides and blank slides, allowing for immediate exploration of different specimens. The built-in LED light provides clear illumination for viewing samples, and the adjustable focus knob ensures sharp images. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.